Hi, this is Keith Peterson again from the Eardley T. Peterson Company in Westfield, New Jersey. We'd like to show you the Royal all-metal commercial upright vacuum today. Royal is the oldest manufacturer of vacuums in the world, originated as the P.A. Geyer Company, 1905. So we've got machines that if they look like something that is from an era past, in a certain respect they are. This is a 14-inch commercial upright. This is an 18-inch commercial upright. This is the largest selling commercial upright we've had in our facility here. We're almost 60 years in the vacuum business. This is the single dominant player in the commercial sector for us. The machine is a traditionally designed all-metal machine, very easy to repair, extremely effective, and about as close to bulletproof as a vacuum could be. This model here is the most popular because the 14-inch size accommodates nicely getting in and around furniture and offices, as well as the speed of the brush on this vacuum enables proper and fast cleaning of larger open areas. For ballrooms and open hallways, then the 18-inch machine can be preferable. But this is the machine of which we sell the most. One of the abilities of this vacuum cleaner is the brush effectiveness is such that it assists the machine. So as the vacuum is used, the user has a very strong sense of a very light, brisk feeling as the machine moves. Now when I turn this on, it's a noisy vacuum. You won't be able to hear much other than the noise. But if you watch the machine, you'll see that I'm barely guiding it with my hand. So that provides for a very effective ease of use solution to the chore of vacuuming. This is a 50-foot commercial grade cord. Now the design details of this machine, as said, make it very easy to maintenance. Any commercial product is going to get a certain amount of abuse. One of the things that happens is through wear and tear, the cords fray and sometimes get pulled out. So on a Royal, the cord is fastened into a metal bracket which with two screws is attached to the handle. You'll notice also a traditional steel toggle switch. This is unheard of in this business. But if this cord frays, it's not a molded fitting. So we can back off these two screws, pull the plate, cut the cord at the frayed section, and reinstall it. The switches we rarely ever replace. Nice soft padded handle grip. There's a release here, enables the handle to come back down. Because of these aluminum housings, we have the strength of metal, but we have the lightweight nature of aluminum. Royal provides a lifetime warranty on the main housings on these machines against defects. They're not warranted against abuse, but against defects, which is very nice. These are phenolic wheels all the way around. They're made of the same type of material as football helmets are made out of. Makes the machine very smooth in its movement. If it's used on floors, it will not mar the floor. And the wheels are extremely durable. If they have to be replaced, there's a clip on the end that is removed. The wheel slides off, a new one can be reinstalled. The height adjustment here in the back enables this machine to be adjusted incrementally to any necessary carpet level. One of the things with commercial machines is jamming. This is a traditional upright. Everything passes through the fan. So you have an intake chamber. The material comes through the fan and comes up into the bagging system. The fan blades are very high and they're curved. And there's plenty of distance between the edge of the fan blade and the housing in which the blade resides. So it's a very, very hard machine to clog or jam. The material that might catch in a regular vacuum, because of the aggressive nature of this metal fan, typically is just chomped up and put into the bag. For demonstration, we sometimes pick up nickels and quarters. The machine either digests them and flings them into the bag, or it just spits them back out. But it's almost impossible to get it jam internally. If it was jammed, there's a on-the-site design feature, which is very convenient. There are 4 screws located at the corners of the motor where it attaches to the fan housing. By removing these 4 screws, the housing, the motor housing, comes off the fan housing. The fan is attached to the motor housing. It's a simple matter to go in there and get out a socket or whatever happened to clog. But again, this is something we don't normally see. While I'm in this position, I should show belt change, because belt change can be a problem on vacuums. The belt change on a Royal upright is extremely simple. I should mention while I'm here, if you can see this, the zipper is a metal zipper. We're not dealing with plastic zippers. This is a heavy-duty commercial grade bag system here. The bag itself, this outer bag, if I can just switch gears for a moment and go up to the top, the bag is attached to the vacuum handle by a chain. It's not a spring, it's not a piece of cloth. It's a very sturdy design. We don't have problems with failure as a result. Everything on this vacuum is designed to enable a long life expectancy. To change a belt, we rotate a front cover. The belt is located here. This belt can be pulled off with a finger. And then when the vacuum is turned upside down, there is a brush nozzle guard, which simply removes. And as you can see, the brush just slips out of the vacuum. So changing this belt is very simple. No tools are needed. The old belt comes off, the new one comes on. These brush ends are slightly staggered. So over a period of time, if this bristle wears, the ends can be rotated when the brush is reinstalled. It will bring the brush closer to the floor and allow for doubling the life of the brush. So this can be reinstalled very simply like this. We just have to make sure that we orient both brush ends the same, and the cover is snapped on. Obviously, this is a process that can be done on the spot. Maintenance men are not needed. And then this belt is reinstalled on the front. If I can come around this way, we just lift the belt, put it on the motor spindle, and reassemble the cap. It's a very, very simple process. So this is a vacuum designed to last a very long time, very lightweight, very durable, extremely easy to repair. It's our single largest selling upright vacuum, as we've said, for over 50 years. We have commercial entities, school systems, major manufacturers in this, retailers in this country. We've sold hundreds and hundreds of these over the years, and the repeat business is almost 100%. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, call us. E.T. Peterson Company, 908-232-5723.